Hi friends, welcome to Linux Fork. My name is Chandan and today we are going to learn how we can install PHP 8 version on Ubuntu system. Okay, so let's start. So before installing any software on Ubuntu system, you need to perform apt-get update. Okay, so apt-get update. Okay, command. So what this command? It's going to update the index of the package. Okay. So it's fetching all the latest repository URL. Okay, so it's already fetched. So either you can put apt-get or apt, that one also will work because it's a deprecated command. Okay, it's if you are going to automate something, use apt-get, but you can use also this apt update. Okay, so next command is apt upgrade. Okay, just it's going to check all the updates. If it is any update is available, it's going to update your system packages. Okay, so okay, we can update, or if you don't want, you can don't go with the updates. Okay, here I am going with the update, so just click yes. So it will take some time. I'm just holding this. I will fast forward this. Okay, so as you can see, some package is not there, font Linux. So everything is done. Okay, so lot of changes happen after upgrading. Okay, so I'm not going with the things. So let's do next step. Okay, so what we need to do after updating and upgrading the system. Okay, performing that command, we need to add some required package for the PHP. I'm going to install that. So I have copied that command here and I have written here. Okay, on notepad. So just I am performing that. Sudo apt install software hyphen properties hyphen common package. Okay, so it's already installed on my system. Okay, so not required to install any additional package. Okay, next step is just I am going to add the repository, PPA repository for the PHP. Okay, so just add that repository, add hyphen apt hyphen repository PPA colon on trace slash PHP. Okay, so just press enter. Okay, so it's going to add some PHP repository. Okay, so it's going to add that. Next step is just install PHP 8 version. Okay, okay, just go ahead. So it's going to install PHP 8. Sorry guys. So PHP 8 version installation is completed. You can check the version of PHP -v, that is the command. You can see PHP 8.0.2 version is already available now. Okay, now the next things. What is the next things? PHP 8 we have installed. Just check that Apache is there or not. Systemctl status Apache 2. Okay, so Apache 2 is there. Okay, just curl localhost. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so just I am going to create a PHP info page at the place of var www html. Okay, php, I am going to use bean command php info dot php. This is extension. Okay, I am going to write some code here. I already have that code, just I am copying and pasting that. So it's going to display the default what are the default PHP page. Okay, friends, as of now we know that PHP 8 installation is completed. Okay, so we can check the version using php-v command. Okay, now just I have created already, I have created one PHP default page info page. Okay, so let's check that default page is coming or not. Okay, so just go to the browser and copy the public IP, okay, of the server. How we can get the public IP of the server? There is one command called curl ifconfig.me. so it will give you the public IP of the server. Okay, just I have copied and I am going to the browser. Okay, so just type php info dot php. Okay, so as we can see, this is the default page which is loading for PHP, and here also it is showing PHP version 8.0.2. okay, so this is done. Yes, PHP installation completed. Now we can go for the PHP. So suppose sometime what happening now, PHP installation it's okay, but why you are going to use PHP? Suppose you have integrated with MySQL database, okay, and Postgres database. That time you need some library need to install, okay, inside the PHP library. So how we can install that? So there is one command called here we are going to use a simple command apt cache search. So by using apt cache search, we will search the PHP 8 related libraries. Okay, so sorry guys, here we are going to search using PHP apt cache search PHP 8. So once you search now, it will give you all the libraries, show whatever the library which is available for related to PHP 8 version. So as we can see, so for suppose you are using MySQL database and you need to install MySQL one of the extension, or you can say libraries or modules, whatever you can say. So how we can install that? So just grab that MySQL. So if that library is available, it will give you here. So as we can see, this is the name of the that library. Okay, just install using apt install. Okay, just copy and paste that. So it's going to install PHP MySQL extension. Okay, so that installation is completed. How we can check that? Okay, there is one command called php-m. So this will list out the modules which installed. So just put that and grep, you can grep here, you just pipe here and grep MySQL. So the MySQL library, you can see MySQL ND, these are the libraries available. Okay, so you can check here also on the browser. So just refresh the page and control F, okay, and search MySQL. So you can see that, right? MySQL, that library is coming, right? Drivers. or library or models, whatever you can say. Thank you friends for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will create similar video in future also. Thank you.